Welcome to Physical Pharmaceutics Practicals, experiment number 6. So aim of our practical, that is aim to determine sedimentation volume with the effect of different suspending agent. Practical aim that to determine the sedimentation volume with the effect of different suspending agent. So suspending agent, they are prevent the sedimentation of particles. Suspension are biphasic liquid dosage form in which solid is dispersed in a liquid medium. Another sedimentation volume means those volume particles settled and create that volume, means that is the sedimentation volume. Suspension are biphasic liquidous form in which solid particles dispersed in a liquid medium. In solution, in that solute, means that is solid particles completely dissolved in a solvent, that is solution. But suspension is a biphasic liquidous form in which solid is dispersed in a liquid medium, that is called suspension. Another, the stability of suspension is changes in the presence of various suspending agent like tragacan, acacia, CMC, that is a suspending agent which can affect how the solid particles interact with liquid and how they settle over the time. Also, one important characteristics that determines stability of suspension, it's the sedimentation volume. Sedimentation volume is, it refers to the volume occupied by a settled particle in suspension after a certain period of time. Suspending agent is also known as stabilizer or thickener, can improve the stability of suspension by reducing the rate of particles settling or preventing the particle from aggregating. This is a physiological inert substance that does not show the pharmacological action. That is a suspending agent. Suspending agent may be defined as is a physiological inert substance which increases the viscosity when added to the suspension. Also, it helps to understand how type and concentration of suspended agent affect the rate of sedimentation. The two sedimentation parameters are employed: sedimentation volume and degree of flocculations. So this practical is important in industries such as pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, where uniformity and consistency of suspension is required. Requirement of this practical, that is measuring cylinder first, beaker, weighing balance, mortar and pestle, spatula, chemicals, zinc oxide, gum acacia, gum tragacan, carboxymethyl cellulose, CMC, and water. So first, this after collection of requirement apparatus, you have to clean all the apparatus properly. Second, prepare zinc oxide 5%. How to prepare 5%? 100 ml, 5 gram in 100 ml. So take 5 gram zinc oxide, add in mortar, triturate that particles of zinc oxide, and then add small amount of water and make it paste. After that, add small amount of water in measuring cylinder and make the volume up to 100 ml. That is a zinc oxide first. Second, our practical, that is to determine the sedimentation volume of different suspending agent. Second, zinc oxide plus CMC. Take zinc oxide 5 gram plus 1 gram suspending agent CMC. Another, zinc oxide plus tragacan. Take 5 gram of zinc oxide plus tragacan 1 gram. Then zinc oxide plus acacia 1 gram. Make it final volume, adjust. And finally, count the time. Different interval 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 minutes, and observe the sedimentation. So first prepare 5% zinc oxide. And then observe the time interval. Formula: sedimentation volume of all suspension of different time interval calculated by using formula F equal to Vu divided by V0. So what is F? F means sedimentation volume and V0 is original volume of zinc oxide suspension, and VU is the volume of sedimentation at time t. So observe the sedimentation at different time interval. Sedimentation, formation of precipitate, you have to observe below. Make the observation table. Zinc oxide, ultimate volume VU and sedimentation volume, ultimate volume V0, VU and sedimentation volume F. And calculate by putting the values, plot the graph. And the result, the effect of different suspending agent on sedimentation volume was studied. Also remember, suspension with particular suspending agent having F value closer to or equal to or greater than 1 are considered to be a good for stable suspension and are pharmaceutical acceptable. So hope this practically have to understand. Thank you.